Cancer, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 9th of January. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign that I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what are the messages that we have for you for this particular week. The first card that I see for you is Six of Wands, Eight of Wands, and the Page of Swords. Person B here has Three of Swords, 10 of Pentacles, and 2 of Swords. Now bottom of the deck I have the Moon card, which talks about secrets. It could be that either you or this other person is having some secret, something that you both have not discussed with each other. Now from the first set of cards I see you have the Victory card, which means that you want victory in this situation. The second card for you is Eight of Wands, which means the communication card. You would want to have communication with this person, so it could be a phone call, text message, Snapchat, anything where you want to communicate with this person. The third card here is Page of Swords. Now Page of Swords is an immature energy, so when you have this conversation, maybe the way in which you will have it is not very mature. Now person B here, the first card is Three of Swords. Three of Swords means this person is maybe in certain cases dealing with another person, so there's a third party energy. It could lead to heartbreak, it could lead to feeling cheated, deceived. The second card is Ten of Pentacles. This is the family commitment card. So if we have the Three of Swords just before the family commitment card, which means that there is something that's happening with regards to a marriage. Somewhere somebody has stepped out of marriage, okay, somebody is dealing with somebody else, so you may want to be a little careful when you are dealing with this person. The third card here is Two of Swords, which is the confusion card. This person is confused because they're not sure which path to go, and with this kind of energy that this person has right now, you need to be a little more careful. Now let's see what is the intention of this person here. The first card is Three of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and the Hermit card. Now again I have a Three of Pentacles, so we have the Three of Swords and now we have the Three of Pentacles, which is again a third party energy. Okay, so this person may be dealing with another person. The second card is Ace of Cups, which means they want to offer a cup of love to you and start fresh, but before doing that they will get into the Hermit energy, which is Virgo's energy. They will do a lot of self-reflection to think through, and they will go ahead and plan and see if this is correct or not, and only then they will go ahead and decide what action they would want to go ahead and take. Now let's quickly see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message I see here is you are very close to achieving your goal. That's a very positive sign for you, which means that you're close to achieving your targets and goals, which means you need to continue working, do whatever you're doing on a daily basis to reach your goal, and you will very soon achieve your goal. Now let's see what is the message from archangels, and if there is a crystal also that can help you out. So the crystal that I see for you is Red Tiger's Eye. The crystal messages: do you need some motivation? Do you find your mind wandering when you are trying to stay focused? If so, you need to find your passion to begin experiencing the rewards that come with living it. Do what you love. Prosperity is yours, but you must take action. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Ariel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.